peace and quiet. Good morning guys, welcome to a breezy Lake District. It is a Saturday morning about 9 o'clock, and as you can see we stopped at the Royal Oak Hotel. Really nice, really nice people as well. Today is the day we climb Scafell Pike. It is about -3 on the top with snow apparently. So it's going to be very interesting to see if we actually make it, but we're going to give it a go. I think a little bit of breakfast is needed. Why was I drinking red wine last night? Anyway, that's a different story. See you in a bit. So it's a nice warm day, as you can see the sun right behind us, and then just up there, up that path there is where we're going, and the summit's just in the cloud at the moment, but it's supposed to be clearing. Feeling good, Daniel?
Oh yes.
A little bit different to Snowdon. It's a hell of a lot steeper. The view is unbelievable. Both ways actually. Just having a little break, we're about halfway, maybe just a bit more. Or less. One or the other. And yeah, it's going well. Got a little bit more chilly obviously, but going good. As you can see, the cloud's still hanging around at the top. That's okay. The view just keeps getting better and better. As you can see, we're in the snow and we're in the clouds. We're about 15 minutes away from the top. This is very hard work. Almost there. Almost there. Meters away now, meters away. Well, we've made it. Hope you can hear us. We are at the end, at the top. 2 peaks down, 1 to go. See you halfway back down. It is windy up here. Wow, what a sunset, absolutely stunning. Better get down, tea time. We've only gone and got back to the car park. Oh, back in Wasdale. What a trek that was. I would say that was an assault on the body. But absolutely incredible. Loved every minute of it. Oh, almost every minute. Time to get back, have a shower and get some food. See ya. Well, hello and good morning. This morning is Sunday and it is time for home. But first of all, we are going to go towards Derwent Water and possibly have a look at Catbells. Not quite sure yet, but it's a lovely sunny day, as you can see. And yeah, so we're just about to leave the hotel, the Royal Oak Hotel in Beckermet. And it is fantastic, well recommended, great food. So yeah, Dan's just putting some stuff in the boot. But yeah, let's see what Derwent Water gives us. Right there? Yes. That's a lot I thought. Morning! We've made it to the bottom of Catbells, just by Derwent Water. I don't know if you can see Dan up there somewhere.
No, he's gone.
Let's see what this place gives us. I can already feel my thighs from yesterday, so we'll see. I don't actually know which view's better, the lake over Derwent or the other side. Wow, breathtaking. We gotta go up there. 1,000 foot done.
Yeah, 1,063 foot.
In half an hour. top of Catbells. Yes. Back. So we made it back to the car. We have completed Catbells and it's been absolutely fantastic. But for now, I think that ends this week's video. Thank you very much for joining us, and I think the next task for hiking, well, we don't know, but the big one coming up will be Ben Nevis. But for now, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.